Hi, good morning and good evening based on your locality. So myself Nagarjuna Vadlakonda. I have a total 12 years of IT experience. I started my career from Linux admin to then cloud. Now especially I'm working on DevOps areas. And from last 6 months we are developing on different tools on LLM. I have a complete real-time experience on the machine learning and also we are creating agentic AI tools also. But I know exact the problem where the gap we have to learn the AI to original working area. So that's why representing exact requirement I'm showing here as a course content. Definitely I will take your queries after speaking from my end. And this course is purely designed for from the zero onwards, completely from zero. The duration easily it will take 5 months. Easily it will take 5 months. So blindly it will take 5 months and a lengthy and detailed course. Lengthy and detailed course with two major projects and who are eligible to learn this one. And really nowadays AI agent is common for every domain. You can work on any on-prem also. Now industries are moving to develop their own agents. Like without human being, these are the giving the responses. Example, in your project or client point, you have 100 PDF, 1,000 PDF, or maybe test files. If you train for the data, and it will give the response and it will take the decision. Really, you can understand. Chatbot is there. It will give to you some response. But now AI agent, now trending one, actual things I'm talking, it is taking the decisions also. But it is not a 30 days, 40 days journey to get the content. It is not possible. Even you will get a confusion also why we have these type of names we have. And you can see this screen will give to you complete idea. This screen will give to you what complete idea. Mainly artificial intelligence is the main target. And other end you have a data science also there. You can write here this is a data science. We don't know anything. Actually, I am completely zero. We don't have any technical knowledge. Maybe you have a 15 plus or 10 years of experience. Maybe you are a fresher or you are planning to change the domain. Now AI is mandatory for any domain. Now see, they are replacing with human beings, but not 100%, not 100%, like 1,000 members working area, they can replace with 2 members. If we are not updating, really it is we are outdated. We are outdated if we are not updating. Guys, here the first thing is the mandatory thing. See, I'm talking genuine things, whether you are joining or not, that is secondary. First thing, you are going to get the training for the Python, which is completely related to AI, AI and data science. Whatever the required one, complete related to AI, especially modules, functions, conditional statements. Here we are going to spend first 20 hours on this area. Complete Python. If you don't know Python, but really Python is a vast subject. Even it requires 70 hours content. But you will get complete basics of Python and advanced concepts which are related to data science and AI. Even it's not a programming language, first point. Maybe you will get a confusion. I am not a developer or you are not a developer. So I don't know the coding part. I started completely admin part only. My career started with admin part only, but very easy, believe me. Python is very easy. In my words, it is very easy. I can make any, I mean, this is not like the other thing. Just I can say, I will try to give in a easiest manner, I will provide to you. And moreover, full-fledged, this is a first course from my end. I am giving internal trainings for two West Bengal companies for the exclusively machine learning point. They have 153 GB data is there. On that, we are giving the training on that model. And there are almost BTech recently passed students are there, and there are some people are changing their domain also. So the reality is completely different, guys, here. So learning is different, reality is different. So getting the data and providing the training on the model, not person here, not the person. So the first thing is to start the journey day one only. You don't expect a robot in front of you. Don't expect a robot. Hey, hey, robot, please do my work instead of me. No, that is not possible in day one. Even day 170 also not possible. Definitely, human being never replaced by a AI tool, but it will reduce the human being work. Never replaced. So everything is now AI. But who is developing the AI? AI having the capability to take the decisions. But what about that one? What about who will train that one? Who will train and who will give the instructions? Definitely human being is required, but it will replace. You can consider 1,000 members. It can replace with the 2 members. It can replace with 2 members. Fine. 1 second. Okay, come back here. And here we have a first 20 hours for the Python. Then after we have a mathematical session, mathematics class, I mean mathematics related topics are available. It is like even your school days 8th to 9th standard classes only. There is not a complicated one. Not a complicated one. 8th to 9th standard mathematics is there, especially statistics. Statistics is a mandatory component here. But I will explain to you in easy terms what is a mean, median, mode, and another one is a standard deviation. So definitely, Bhavani, I will speak loudly. 1 second, I will check the mic settings. Okay, fine. Now the next thing is, so before starting this journey, we are going to learn these things. And middle of the journey, first these two are we are going to start. You are going to get a Power BI and a SQL related queries. SQL queries you are going to learn. These are the I am going to cover as a prerequisites. But initially we are going to start 192, which are mandatory to start our journey. Sir, very simple. What is AI? Simple. What is AI? See, subdomain, subdomain, subdomain. What is AI? On mathematics, absolutely we required less than 10 hours is required. Less than 10, but very simple, straightforward only. On board, we are going to perform. Guys, without this, if you try to learn, see, to come to this course, nothing is required. Believe me that word. Believe me that word. We are going to start from zero only. Majorly, you can see in the 21st century, data is very, very, very valuable one, even more than gold and diamond. If you have the data, you can hack anything. If you have a data, you not only hacking, but yeah, it's a valuable thing. It's a valuable thing. Data is that. So that is the main theme here. Data extraction and decision making. So if you see the definition, generally, I'm not moving technically. So once if you complete this area, you have a different roles are there. Even roles for data analytics is there. Are what we can call machine learning engineer, AI engineer, and robotic engineer, especially AI related architect. These roles easily you will get here. But everything depends on only one tool. This is a fact, that is a machine learning. Without this tool, you cannot learn the AI. So here only we will take the data. After taking the data, Python is a communication language with every area. Why everyone recommending Python? Python having a huge collection of modules. Python containing huge collection of module. Almost 1,50,000 collection of modules are available. 1.50 lakhs of modules are available. 1.50 lakhs. 1,50,000, I mean. So it is it first point, learning is very easy. Learning is easy, and we can interact with any technology. For example, a company having raw data like a thousands of maybe PDFs or databases. Then after, what we will do? Machine learning will going to create the regressions or create the models, and it will train on this data. It will train on the data. So it will machine learning will first of all you will give the data. What the machine learning will do? It will train the existing data of your databases. And once if you prompt any question to here, any question to here, any question to here, it will give the answer from after getting the. It is going to give the training now. But training point also we have a lot of things are there. There is a one beautiful module Python module. Without that you cannot learn the Python. Sorry, machine learning. SQL. I mean scikit learn model. Scikit learn model. This is very important one. Scikit learn model, very important one. Without this model, you cannot learn the machine learning. Machine learning. So it is going. We have there are three types of categories are there again. So how, I mean how to get the. For example, I am giving 10 files, each file containing 1 lakh records. That is general way I am explaining. Listen, I have a 10 files, each file containing 1 lakh records. Just give to machine learning and select a model. Select a model. Like there are supervised, unsupervised, like reinforcement. Like your car is, I mean, driverless car is working on reinforcement only. Penalty and what is that? Penalty and gift concept only. Once if you give this data, it will train on the data. The 10 pages are there, 10 files. In each file containing 1 lakh records. And depending on your selected model, it will train. When someone prompt a question, your machine learning can able to give that answer after training the data. But how much accuracy you will giving the data? We will call R square. How much accuracy we are giving? Is it 98% or 95% of originality? We need to check. We have to train the data. We need to like training data is different, testing data is different. How much data you are giving for that? There is a one component is there. SKLN in the scikit model only. SKLN inside of there is a there is a one component is there. 1 second. That is test underscore split is there. Train test underscore split model is there. Train, not train underscore test underscore split. Hardly you are going to remember 25 modules. This is a maximum. But it's the easiest way to get the job. It's a very easiest way to get the job. It won't take. Why? Because this is now trending. Maybe you may heard about these words in your organization. AI agent creation, AI agentic approach. You may heard about this one. Maybe you're in the organization, in your organization, or maybe you're a fresher. Like, ignore it. They're insisting you please develop one AI agent based on our team or our project. Our project. Yes. So machine learning inside of only we will call something like a LLM, large language models, capital L. Even large image models also there, but LLM is a test based one and is the image based one. Very, very important one. We are working on this one only, guys. No one see one fact. If you learn for AI training, NLM will come here. Wait, wait. Neural language. One, wait, wait. Where we are? LLM area, if you see. So actually the thing is, if you join for AI, 99%, 90%, 99 I cannot say, you will learn only Python only. You will learn Python only. You will learn Python only. If you, I mean, somewhere I'm talking, if you learn Python only, remaining 10%, you will get the theory part. That's all. Your AI is completed? No. You will learn only Python. You will learn only Python. Even Python, we can explain. I mean, I can explain 70 hours also, but that is not a your AI. Learning Python is not AI. Learning Python is not a AI, not a AI. Python is a communication language with all aspects in the AI technology. Like once if you know the artificial intelligence means what is simple, it's a, just like a technology which enables machines, which activate machines, which behaves like a human being. Artificial intelligence means it is like a technique and like it will mimic a human behavior. Without you, it is going to give the answers. Just artificial intelligence is a broad element here. What is artificial intelligence? It will give just it's a, like a program behaves like a human being. Inside machine learning is there so many LLMs are there. So many LLMs are there. We are going to use here also one practical LLM. I will show you. Have a to practice on mission point. There is a one Olama is a one local LLM is there. We can run the local LLMs. You can see LLM. This is a word. But how to get the data? Yes, I will give to you practical real-time data. Almost 150 GB data we have. So even ChatGPT is the one LLM only, already trained one. So we need to download it. It will give to you best one. We can run the. I mean, really to deploy this one, we need a web server and some data is required. But here in the LLM, just we need to download this. If you install, see something famous one, DeepSeek is there. This is the one. How much data is there? 47. Okay, this is the pull request test, like a GitHub only. Let me take one easiest one. One LLM I will explain to you. Is there anything easy to complete? Code Llama. But we need to develop like these model. Already this is developed model you are using. This is not your company organization. Now, who will give to you your company? Who will post your company data here? Your company data is secure private one. Wait, wait. I will explain to you. NLM, natural language processing. It is a subfield of AI only. There is nothing. Wait, wait. Gopi, I will come to that area. So already this is a ready-made model, but we need to develop our ready-made model by using the machine learning. There is a regression method is there, or there is a cluster approach we have. We need to develop it. But where is the data? Yes, so much data practically we have, and real-time 153 GB data within in my hand. We are going to see that data. So okay, otherwise I will take you one chart related one, like WhatsApp chat or something. Open chat I'm going to take. Just wait. We need to install that one. Not Python. So Olama. First of all, Olama is there. This is like a name only, the nothing. One second. This is a command we need to use. Once if you develop your own model, you can put inside of one web server. like ChatGPT. Or else it is internal organization. Yes, it is asking. Uh, for example, I want to ask a question. What is a product of 2 and 5? Spelling mistake, not mistake, the space is there. We will see how it is going to respond. In here, natural language processing will be involved here. I provided what is the natural, Gopi, this is related to your question. Yes, yes. Uh, that's I guess Zoom reached to maximum. Some friends are unable to join. Definitely, there is no alternate at this point. So that's why I'm continuing. There is no alternate. I will share the recorded video to them. Nothing to worry. Fine, you can see. Yes, I provide. Otherwise, I'm asking one more question. What is your name? General, you can ask different questions. This is a chat GPT. If you put the same thing on a web browser or like a Tomcat web server. Yes, my name is ChatGPT. Yes, a large model. Really, we don't know anything. Just I'm using control. See, for example, write a program to print a square of given number in our language. Really, we don't know. I don't know the our language also. Just I'm trying to give. If it is trained, it will return the answer to you. Otherwise, no. Just after developing the model only, you can able to see here, guys. After developing the model only, you can able to see this type of response here. Yes, here it is trying to giving line by line. Wait, it is on local machine. Depends on your system performance only. Wait, it is loading. I'm moving the cursor to bottom. Yes, it is writing, still writing. You can see square function, somewhat. We don't know the technology and other things. But here, guys, that is important is a LLM is important. How you are training your model, how you are training the model, how you are representing. So the major modules in this journey, apart from these 20 hours, the first one is the NumPy, numerical one, and Pandas, which is playing very, very important role in your career of MI. Without this, you cannot learn the AI or data science. So data, AI is a machine. Just you are creating a machine. Simple words. AI means it's a machine. Just you are training a machine. Instead of you, it is giving the response. LLM is the actual one. LLM is a subpart of AI. We have to train the upon the train. We need to train the data. But one problem, your LLM will not give to you latest data. For example, I'm asking just what is today. I'm asking. This is a problem. This is a problem. You can see. This is a problem practically. This is the way only we need to learn. Guys, your LLM, you are based on your company giving to you like 200 files. On that, you are training, you are developing one LLM. We are going to see practically this one. And when you prompt existing data, it is going to give. But what about today? It is not giving now. So something that is a one came that is a agent approach or what we can call AI agent. Something AI agent which is going to having internet connection only. Nothing, just like an internet connection. The famous one is a Tavily is a very famous tool now. Tavily is a third party API. Your when you ask what is today, you're not available. Immediately it will go to here and single query in a agent and it will give the response. Again, your LVM will sort out, process this data and it will respond. This screen, if you see LLM developed by machine learning, this process only we will call single agent. Multiple questions are there. That is a agentic approach only. There is nothing small difference only, not a big difference. Sir, A agent is different course. Agentic is a different course. No. First, how much you are good at AI. AI means 200%, not 100%. 200% it is related to. It is completely related to machine learning only. Machine learning is important. In the machine learning, how you are feeding the modules. That is a LLMs are there. So that is a major topic we are going to discuss with real-time data. We are going to discuss with real-time data. The module names, maybe you will get some confusion. If I show you the module names like in this way, you will get some confusion. But if I run this one, so but guys, one thing you can see, this is not my habit. Existing code somewhere copy paste, I never use in the training. I will build from zero from my end only. I will build the training from my end only. My end only, my end only. I never copy our existing code. You can go and run like this one. No, that is not my habit. Maybe you are a existing member of my previous training, you know this one. And in the LLM area I'm talking, there is a labeled one is there, supervised. Unsupervised is a powerful one, guys. There is a, for example, a file containing like a username, username rank, like location is there. It's a labeled data. So if you want to get a like a location, yes, you can find out. But I am giving to you like a raw data, like a unstructured, like jambling data. If I provide, how to train your model on this one. So you have a different technologies are there to give the training on this one. Regression is there, like a random forest is there. Yes. So in the I'm not moving the technical terms. If I explain to you technical terms, you will get confusion. That is my main intention. That's why I'm not providing anything. So day by day, one tool is going to add, like not only one tool. If you go to the documentation, you have a multiple tools are there. And K cluster is the best example for the unstructured data. It is dividing n number of parts, and it will create patterns like here, where the data huge is there, we can identify and we can take the decision. We can take the decision. So first one, machine learning is important. In the machine learning, nothing but LLMs. In the LLMs, but you need to train your existing data of your organization. That is a capability. That is a thing you are going to learn practically here. Even OpenAI, Gen AI, these all are branches of the Gen AI only. Just getting some internet connection and processing and returning the answer to you. Come to machine learning. Machine learning is a sub branch of your machine. Deep learning is a sub branch of machine learning. Even machine learning cannot see the like a complex type of data. I mean, deep insights purpose. Deep insight purpose. We can use this one. Tensor, Flow, and PyTorch. These are the famous model. Deep analysis only. The name itself is there. Multiple layers. It will is going to analysis. Same point, you have one more like we are going to use natural language processing. Like that languaging process means what is that? Nothing, sir. Nothing. User, see, your machine cannot understand your language. Zeros and one. Zeros one means zero means low voltage, one means high voltage. Zeros and ones concept means. So simplest way, like taking the patterns from the language. For example, if I'm asking a question, that question should be understandable by your machine, and again it should give the written answer like a answer for us. Like there is a NLM kit is a one beautiful module is there for this one. What is the main intention of this one? It's a subfield of AI or subfield of machine learning only, no doubt. It generate like a human language, both even if when it speak or write, like it will fill the gap between human language to machine languages. Machine languages without human interface, there is a ready-made modules are there. Everything depends on your Python technology only. Python technology only. But hardcore is deep. Hardcore of this complete or your data science career or data science is different again. I didn't explain to you. Data science is nothing but data science may be not a technical role. Remember, AI is more completely technical role. Maybe not technical role. Data science means they people will visit the organization, company, and collect the data and process the data, and clean the data. Then they will use AI tools. It's a They are going to use AI only, but not directly. They are going to first collect the data, process the data. Maybe empty lines are there. Empty lines they are going to fill with zeros, or maybe depending on the project. Why? Because that's why statistics will play the key role here. So guys, if you see the course content, I mainly added four components. One is Python, which is hard, complete Python. You know the Python magics. I can create the Python magics. Just give me 20 hours time, but it is not full-fledged Python. Whatever they required for AI, that one. Guys, if I title is AI and data science, if I explain Python like 70 hours, you never will get any subject and you will definitely give wrong feedback. I mean, you won't satisfy. So guys, first Python, and then after you have a beautiful modules are there, NumPy, Pandas, graphical representation. Power BI is one of the option only, but it is not mandatory. Why? Because representation point we have a matplotlib is there, scatter matter or graph model, histogram model. Yes. So this and CBOR. These two modules we are going to use detailed. We are going to use these two modules for graphical representation model. Example, I shown you something. You can see somewhere matplotlib I used here. sklearn module is used. Python module is used. This is string input output purpose. And one API also we are going to use. That is a Streamlit API. So no need any HTML, JSON. That coding is not required. Why? Because Python module simplify your work. So this is a yes. I said a matplotlib representation point. And upon upon that matplotlib, Seaborn is there. And scientific point like NumPy, we have a SciPy is there, and mathematical approach. But not a mathematics means not plus 12 mathematics, like school standard mathematics only, like matrix addition, vectors, linear expressions. For example, you have a x plus 5 equal to 7. What is the x value? X value. So plus 5 will come to this side. It become as a minus 5, then x equal to 2. So these type of basic level only. Why? Because it is also not required. But if I directly move to machine learning model, how to understand what is the answer it is internally doing, right? So then statistics, then you are going to start the original component. Here you can see not a SQL Power BI, leave it. So now this is a one thing, sir. We are going to start our journey from here only. So once if you collect the data, then how to start your journey? Yes, here exploring data analysis or exploratory also we will call. Then after, what is the plan you are going to take? Which plan? Supervised, unsupervised, or which one? And again in the supervised, there are multiple components are there. Yes, maybe linear, multilinear, quadratic equations, polynomials. You can see multilinear. This is the one. It is completely regression. I mean, what is that? This is a structured data or supervised labeled data. What about unstructured data like raw data? K nearest. This is the one. K cluster. I said K K cluster. I'm not moving detail about each one. If you are going to get confused if I explain to you in this way. But it will. These are the models we have. So how much you are strong in the machine learning is important. How much you are strong in the machine learning is important. So Power BI alternate is there. Power BI is, I will explain to you representation point, dynamic data representation. But alternate you have Matplotlib and SonarQube is there. The second one, this is a one more. PyTorch, I said na, PyTorch is a one important module here we are going to use. Somewhere you can see PyTorch. TensorFlow. These two modules already I covered while explaining this. NLP, just tokens, guys, just your English word. For example, you are giving what is today, tell me is there. What is the natural processing? So it will remove what is that meaning? Not important ones. Is it is going to delete, means it is going to delete. So what today tell is there. So what means it is asking question. Today is there. It is going to connect the internet. Tell means is asking some question. Second level, it is going to remove tell word. Third level, when is a question. Next today. So like tokenization concept here. But here also we have a multiple components are there. Spacey library, yes, here defined. Spacey library is there. By the based on that, we can perform it. Representation point. Yes, this is the area I'm going to show you. Complete my project 153 GB data. How to represent here. And there are multiple LLMs are there. That is a open, DeepSeek or OpenCV. Multiple components are there. The names are different, right? So this is, I'm not going to create any confusion to you. From this scratch, I'm going to start. You are maybe a fresher or working. You can convert. Why? Because these upon this domain, there is no new people. Remember, there is no new people now. Only trending here. Now you may heard about these two words: machine learning, LLMs, agents. These words. No, guys, here I'm going to use only Python language, not R language, now Go language, only Python language. It is a more sufficient. I am giving to you a wonderful content on the Python. If you just listen Python, you will create the magic after the learning. Only Python point only, I'm telling that. Python point only. So we are spending almost 50 hours, like on 4 topics on there, and 120 hours we are going to spend for the only AI and data science and machine learning areas only. Machine learning means deep learning will come, neural networks will come, NLP will come, Gen AI will come. Gen AI is not AI only. Just you have one more like internet connectivity. It will take own decisions. Even while learning also you will get different tool names, but don't confuse. The main heart is machine learning. Machine learning here, machine only learning by your instructions, how you are feeding the data. So for these guys, I'm going to take totally 50 members. This is a complete plan. 50 members I'm going to take. It's a complete, limited one. Why? Because it's an interactive training we are planning. 50 members, and there are two batches are there, morning 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Means first it is a weekdays batch, Monday to Friday, and mostly from third month onwards. For example, if I start today, third month onwards, I will take these Saturday sessions also, but not immediately. Absolutely, it's a 5 months training. No compromise. It is a 5 months training, and this is a fixed timing. There is no change in the timing. It is a fixed timings. There is no change in the timings. And moreover, per day, you can attend either morning or evening. So say whatever that live topic I'm explaining in the morning batch, same thing again I will explain in the evening also. Means if you for 1 week you have a morning shift, that time attend evening, vice versa. And after every live session, you will get the daily recordings for your practicing purpose. And also I will share to you data. You don't think about the data, guys. I have a huge collection of data is there. Real-time data is there. Based on that data, we are going to work on that area. So data part, you can ignore it. So it's a completely 5 months training. There is no change in the timings. It is fixed one. You can attend either morning or evening. And I am going to create a special WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, I will add your number to the after the registration. Those who are completed your registration, don't worry. I will add your number to the group. And batch starts from next Monday. So 19th May onwards, I am going to start this batch. And I am only, if you complete genuinely this training, I will refer to you. I am going to give the job assistance also, but condition. You need to attend all the sessions, guys. All the session means only you need to learn. I will refer to you. You need to clear the interview. That is not my responsibility. But directly only one interview you need to clear. That is from the West Bengal company. But without, sir, I'm attending regularly, I'm not getting. So you need to learn on. My intention, if you are attending live training, you will get more clarity. Live is interactive. Always I will take the interactive only. So while discussion only, I'm going to explain. Leave it about Python and mathematics. I am going to make you expert in that area day by day. Even today also, you don't know what is a machine learning also. What is the machine learning? What is a machine? What is the models? LLMs? We don't know. Day by day improvement is required here. Only one day you cannot get. If you get learn one day, everyone can learn it here. Guys, it's one of the broad area. We need to focus on first machine learning. From there, you can learn any technology here. No, 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 no CI/CD tool. It is not MLabs, right? This is about my training content, and final one is a it's a payment process is total is a 8,000. It's a one time payment only. After that, I am going to add your number to one group, and you can also see. Mostly, I think you are from my previous training batches only. I believe that is a one. You are from my existing batches. And after the payment, you have to share the screenshot to my number, and you can see this is a payment detail information. It's a payment details information. Even if you are other than India, I'm pinging you payment process in the chat box. Okay, let's now we will take about the course content. My responsibility of each topic I am going to teach you inside of that. That is my responsibility. Course content is my responsibility. Even I cannot skip even one topic. So even I'm ready to allocate more than our 5 months time. Time is here, doesn't matter. The main theme is how finally we have a two projects. Finally, we have a two projects. Practical, I will explain to you. Guys, you have any queries, please let me know your name and you can ask your questions.
Hi Naga, this is Amol.